Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we will be delving into the topic of why some students are considered low achievers and how we can empower them to reach their full potential. It's a crucial issue in education that requires attention and support. A low achieving student is one who does not achieve or achieves to a low extent the required learning objectives at the end of a lesson, unit, or course. If a student consistently fails to meet expected standards or demonstrate adequate progress, they can be identified as low achievers. Some students struggle to achieve academically for various reasons. Let's discuss the expected reasons for this struggle. Number 1. The content may be too challenging, requiring students to learn a large amount in a short time. Number 2. Insufficient time for practice, revision, or reviewing previous content may hinder understanding. Number 3. Student may employ ineffective learning strategies or study habits. Number 4. Factors such as stress, depression, physical illness, or learning disabilities can impact academic performance. Number 5. Negative attitudes towards education and lack of motivation to learn may contribute to low achievement. Number 6. Issues related to teaching, including unclear objectives, ineffective teaching methods, and inadequate feedback and support for struggling students, can also play a role. Empowering low achievers involves providing them with the necessary tools and support to help them thrive. Whether you are a teacher, parent, or a student looking for support, these strategies can make a meaningful difference in the learning journey. So let's see some trusted and tested methods to overcome this issue. Number 1. Differentiated instruction. One powerful strategy is differentiated instruction, where teachers tailors their teaching methods and content to meet the diverse learning needs of students. For more information, you can watch our YouTube video on this topic. Don't worry, I will share the link in the description. Number 2. Scaffolding. Scaffolding is another key approach. It involves providing structured support to help students grasp new concepts and skills, gradually reducing the support as they develop competence. Number 3. Fostering a growth mindset. Embracing a growth mindset is essential. By fostering a belief in the potential for growth and improvement, students are encouraged to emphasize effort, perseverance, and the use of effective learning strategies. Number 4. Support material and classes. Providing additional resources such as support materials and specialized classes can be a game changer for low achieving students. Number 5. Peer support. Encouraging peer support and collaborative learning allows the students to assist and learn from each other. This approach fosters a supportive learning community and empowers students to help their peers succeed. Number 6. One-on-one tutoring. Individualized support through one-on-one tutoring can be incredibly effective. Tailoring instructions to the specific needs of the student ensures that struggling learners receive personalized attention and guidance. Number 7. Mentorship programs. Mentorship programs pair low achieving students with mentors who provide guidance, support, and encouragement. These relationships can be instrumental in helping students overcome challenges and thrive academically. Finally, number 8. Creating a supportive environment. Creating a supporting environment is crucial. Establishing a caring and responsive learning environment promotes a sense of belonging, motivation, and positive reinforcement for all students. By implementing these strategies, educators and parents can make a meaningful impact on the academic journey of low achieving students. With the right support and resources, every student has the potential to succeed. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.